Today's my birthday! Hello! So this is a very random, very candid video, but it is currently 11:37 p.m. I don't know if you can see that, but it's now it's 11:38 p.m. on this November 25th, 2019, and tomorrow is my birthday, and I'll be 26, so it's my golden year, which is crazy. It always seemed so far away that I would turn 26 on the 26th, and now the day has come. In fact, in like 22 minutes, it will come, and I'll be 26, which is so weird. But I was just laying in bed, you know, thinking about my past year, and I always do that on my birthday, or like, you know, the end of the year, kind of like reflect, see what you like, see what you don't like, you know, what you want to keep doing, what do you want to not do anymore. Like, you know, like New Year's resolutions. Does that make sense? It makes sense to me. So I was just thinking, and 25 has been such a crazy year. Back in July, for those of you who don't know, I was laid off from my accounting job, which I hated that job anyway. So, blessing in disguise. It was not a fun situation, but I mean, without it, I wouldn't be here. It's just weird because last year I never would have imagined that I would be, you know, living in the Philippines. But here we are. Beau, who I'm traveling with, like, I didn't even know him a year ago, and now I'm in halfway across the world with him. And I spend literally every day with him now. So it's just really crazy how life is. Now I'm doing things I actually like travel, and I can still teach, and hopefully I get to meet my students soon in China, and I don't know, just so many other cool opportunities. But I'm just feeling very grateful right now for just everything in my life. I'm just very thankful for Beau for even inviting me to come out here. Like, I don't even know what I would be doing if I wasn't here right now. He's been so nice, and he helped me so much with camera equipment and, you know, picking out this, and he's helped me with courses. I'm just very, very grateful for him. So thanks, Beau, if you're watching, and sorry that this is cheesy, but just very grateful, very thankful right now that I'm traveling and having fun. But yeah, that was really rambly and all over the place. But I just wanted to say, I guess the moral of that was, there's always a blessing in disguise, even when it seems like there's not, and you never know what a year could do. Anyway, also another reason why I'm up this late, because I'm super tired. My friends and I have a tradition where we call each other at midnight on our birthday, but since it's like a 14-hour difference, and it's like morning time in Birmingham and like midnight here, I'm wondering who will call. Also, it's the 25th over there, and it's about to be the 26th here, so I don't even know who's gonna call, but we'll just see. Thanks for watching me ramble. I hope that made sense. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh my gosh. It's my birthday. I am officially 26. It is November 26th. So that is crazy. Thank you! Today's my birthday! Yay, spirit fingers! And for my birthday, Beau is gonna shave his little face and do a mustache. It's a strange present, but I'm very excited for it. Are you gonna do the Guy Ferrari first, and then after that?
I'm going straight with the adult star mustache.
Wow. Are you ready to shave? Okay. Where are you shaving?
Yeah, I'm shaving right here. Oh yeah, I can actually do this in the mirror.
Oh wow.
That's a pretty good idea.
We're outside for this. Oh, hi.
Who is it?
Hi. Nice. Good. How are you?
They're gonna be like, what?
Yeah, it's such a nice day today. Wow. So we were gonna film outside, but now we're just gonna chill in this bathroom.
It's pouring outside again.
Yeah, it's raining. I don't know if you can see that. And we did make a friend. Beau told me not to say that because I didn't introduce you to my friend, but...
You're gonna sit on the toilet?
No, I just...
This
is
so hard.
I meant to put the top down, not just the toilet seat. Okay, but we're gonna film his transformation.
I want to get hair on my shirt.
Okay.
Stay in that bathroom.
What a weird thing to say.
Okay. So I guess it's the moment of truth. We don't have a mirror in here, so I got this, and I'm gonna shave all this without trying to get it in my actual hair. I trimmed it up yesterday, and I cut some of my actual hair by accident.
Wait, are you gonna do the Guy Fieri?
No, we're not doing anything. We're just doing mustache.
No, do both. You do look like Guy Fieri? I always say his name wrong from the side. Wait, let me see. Show the people. Wait, you're doing the Hulk Hogan now? Wow. Wait, one more time, just...
Oh, brother. Okay, you ready for this?
The Minshew? Yes. Oh, wow. Are you keeping the soul patch?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Almost broken watch. You want to just film all the hair? Yeah, seeing the hair I missed in there?
Oh god, that's nasty. Again, we were gonna film outside, but it's pouring. Yeah, we met a friend
that wanted to watch, and I thought that was a little weird.
Okay, no, he did not. He thought what we were doing was weird, but like.
But he understood.
I don't know if he understood.
Because I'm on a budget.
Oh yeah. Because this is my birthday present. Basically, I just want to go to have a mustache.
Ladies, one at a time.
Oh my god.
And I got my belly going.
Oh. Ladies, he's single at the moment. I can't guarantee that, you know, the rest of the day. Who knows what'll happen?
The rest of the day?
Yeah. I mean, should I say you got married?
I did not get married.
Get married.
Definitely did not get married. There was no ring. The ring fell off my finger.
All I'm saying is he's single right now, but there's no guarantee. Anything can happen.
Do you want me to shave this or not?
Oh, I didn't know there was more.
Well, I have to clean everything off.
Oh,
so
wow.
It looks thicker.
Can't wait to clean this up.
You are.
It's no.
Yeah, it's part of your birthday present.
Do you wash it down?
Yes,
that's what we have sink problems.
Bull. We don't have sink problems.
Yet. It's like a hairball. That was gross. How are you gonna get that? Oh, the Beau in action. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that easily washed.
We have a shower and a Beau, but you'll see that in our house tour later. Yeah, I prefer the shower. I'm old-fashioned that way. Now our shower is gonna get. Oh wow. Forgot you still had shaving cream on. Oh wow. Oh, I love rainy days. Literally like the best gift from God.
Come here for me.
Jeez. Wait, where do you want? Can I hold it here?
Yes.
It's just, oh wow, it's a lot. Yes? Oh wow. You look like a character. And I can't really put my finger on it. Like Ron Burgundy college days maybe? Or like, you look like somebody else.
Joe Burry.
Besides Joe Burry, of course. Do you look like, am I thinking of Pedro from Napoleon Dynamite? Wow. Who do you look like? No, you look like the dad from Talladega Nights.
If you ain't first, you're last.
That's who you look like. Oh wow. Damn.
Not good. This looks like I'm a 5-year-old with a creepy ass stash.
Like you look like a character from a movie, but I can't quite put my finger on who. Oh. Well, I guess I have that to look forward to all day. Are you gonna wear the fedora? Oh wow, we're getting full Joe Burry. Oh damn!
Okay, let's go.
We're on the way to the mall for his photo shoot. It's like, it's very strange
No, this
birthday,
was your
actually.
You wanted this for your birthday. So.
I don't know if I want Wallet has pictures of
You're really
what I'm about to see, but we're gonna take some pictures, and then we're gonna see a movie because I love movies so much. I'm so excited to go see a movie. We're gonna see 21 Bridges. It's either that or Frozen. The movie. What are you tabooing? Are you washing your hair? We're gonna go see 21 Bridges, I think, which looks super cool. And there's only two options. Frozen 2, which I don't like Frozen, or 21 Bridges. So we're gonna go see 21 Bridges and have the best day, because I'm 26. We're out here at the mall. This is my new friend David Spade. That's who he looks like. There's so many people that you look like with your, just your stash. How are we feeling? Is this a permanent lifestyle change, or?
This is like a 24-hour lifestyle change.
But he secretly loves it.
I do not.
Yeah, he does.
I feel like
see, he says it's because of me, but I know.
Don't hack this.
I know it's because he really likes, who's that guy? Gardner Minshew?
Gardner Minshew.
Yeah, that football player. He aspires to be like him, so. Go to the mall. We went and saw the movie and we had a photo shoot. Very interesting photo shoot. Yeah, I'll just put pictures up. Yeah. See, Beau says the mustache is for my birthday, and I said, yeah, you can just shave your face into a mustache instead of giving me a present. It's totally fine with me. Then we got a photo shoot done, so that was weird. That was very weird, but it was fun, and we saw the movie. It's 21 Bridges. It wasn't bad. It wasn't my favorite movie ever, but it was good. I would much rather see The Joker again. I loved that movie. And now I think we're gonna get cake. You're gonna get carrot cake all in your mustache. I'm having a butter slip on it, and my
then
stomach.
I can have second carrot cake later.
Oh, that's so gross.
Yep.
Oy vey. But this is delicious. Yay! Everyone surprised me for my birthday. This is Bonch and eating tea, and Mary Lynn, and everybody, Jane, Joy, and I have a little cake. Oh, sweet. Thanks, Beau. You're the nicest person in the whole world. Thank you. Why are you covering yourself?
Nothing I'm sending it. Nothing I'm sending it to your mom.
Aw, my mom. And look at this cake. Oh, I just like dug my fingers straight into it. The cutest little cake. Precious. We're home now. We are home.
This is my home.
This is my home. Put your shirt on.
I'm about to jump in the shower.
Ridiculous.
Let me take a shower in peace. The birthday's over in 2 hours and 27 minutes.
But it's still my birthday, is what I heard. But no, Beau was literally the sweetest. And he surprised me with our little friends at one of my favorite restaurants, Finn Bar. It was so good. And there was a cake, and they sang, and it was literally so lovely. A lovely birthday. So I had a great, wonderful day. And now it's my birthday in America, so actually, there's like another 14 hours of my birthday. Right, Beau? He's so excited, he's speechless.
You have 2 hours and 26 minutes.
No, we're going by American time now.
By American time. You live in the Philippines now, you're gonna act like a Filipino, you're gonna go off Filipino time.
Whatever. But thanks for a wonderful birthday! You little angel muffin from heaven. Oh, wow.
What are you doing?
Oh, shit!
Did somebody actually get ready in peace?
No. So we got donuts, because it's my birthday. And they don't have cookie cake here. Because cookie cake's my favorite. But they don't have Great American Cookie in the Philippines. But they do have Dunkin' Donuts. And I do love donuts. you like your donut? Joe Dirt? I'm just kidding. David Spade. Joe Burry. Yes? Okay. I'm so sorry. That was disturbing. I'm gonna enjoy my donut now. Well, oh shit! Why don't you walk? Am I more embarrassing than your mustache? Okay, I just wanted to further prove that Beau looks like David Spade with this little get up going on, right? If that's Beau, that's David Spade. In case you were confused, I know. The similarities are crazy. And look, in this picture, they're even doing the finger bang. Like what? What? Are they twins? I don't even know.
Saying happy birthday to you. Get out of
No, you didn't. Yesterday doesn't count. Okay, bye.
I think it's yesterday.
We'll sing it again. Okay, bye.